Preventive maintenance is critical to optimal outcomes and reduces the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns while maintaining your manufacturing schedule and product quality. Equipment maintained annually often results in considerably fewer failures by minimizing downtime, reducing the need for costly repairs, prolonging the life of the equipment and avoiding premature equipment replacement. During PM, our qualified engineers use proprietary software to run tests and replace necessary components with quality parts to restore your equipment to factory specifications and functioning properly. Once a PM is complete, you'll receive a standardized set of documentation and test results that demonstrates your compliance when working in a regulated environment. Keep your equipment working properly with preventive maintenance. Ready to learn more?